Hello y'all, welcome back today. I know it's been a while since I've posted a video, but the warrior cats oh my god, I'm so tired. The warrior cats Christmas event is here, and we're going back into the Frost Forest once again for another adventure. I'm actually quite excited for this. And today I'm playing as Blue Blood, as you can see. Crystals. I love this crystal necklace. It's my favorite. And then we're using the mushroom patches and the blueberry ladle or whatever the hell. Ladle. And as you see, Christmas is here. It's time! If you couldn't tell. So what I'm gonna want to do first, I'm gonna, out of curiosity, because I want to see if I can see anything, I'm gonna go to the Moonstone to see if we can, oh, what am I doing? We're gonna go to the Moonstone to see if there's anything new there, because obviously there was last year, I'm pretty sure. Not gonna lie, Warrior Cats Ultimate Edition has some crazy ass lore. Alright, nothing. Let's see, nothing. Oh my god. Oh, my allergies. That's the one bad part about Christmas. Anyway, so I really liked the new update to the Moonstone with the little lanterns. I'm pretty sure I made a video about that during Halloween, but the little event, so I wonder if there's anything that we could look at here. Also, I'm currently at my dad's. Yay! Divorce. Yeah, divorce. Yeah, but my parents are divorced. So there's that. Oh my god, look how pretty. I love it. I love this new design. It is giving Slay. And also where the Star Clan could stand on. I wonder if they'll use these places in a different event. Huh. Like, didn't know this is actually pretty cool. Anyway, let's go down to the Frost Forest event. Alright, I'll see you in a second. This is gonna load for a while. We're back, and I think we're entering the world now. Yep, we're entering the world. And we are back in the Frost Forest. Man, I am so happy. I mean, look at this. I'm so glad that the Frost Forest has came back. Just overjoyed. So again, I'm playing as Blue Blood. I'm gonna level him up to at least a warrior. And we're going back into... Ooh, we got a new one. Pineborn Rangers. Ooh, interesting. Let's go. So we're going back into the Frost Forest once again. for another Christmas event. So I'm curious. I want to see this because we got. Oh, is this the? Oh, okay. Okay. So, the prey is different here. There's white and there's different ones. Kittling den. So I think this was the. Oh, so are we like going back in time to look at the camp before it was like before it was before it was like here. So this is great. Oh, we're hunting. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So we're gonna converse with the different characters that are here. So I think we're going like back in time before the camp was abandoned. Everbrave. Where's Everbrave? I think Everbrave was in here. Right? No, that's... Oh. Who's Everbrave? Because we got... Reverns. I don't think I can say that correctly. So... I think up here is like the meeting place. I'm so proud you have to know. Okay, so this is like, oh, this is so cool. I know I sound like a total geek right now, but like, this is actually genuinely cool. So let's see the roles. I wonder if Snow Patter. So we got High Attender, Nurturer, Withered, Renewer, Snow Patter, Branch, Kittling, Superior, Attender. Okay, we got the Warden, Shifter, Ascendant, Nester, which I think that's new. I think the Nester is new. And then, of course, these are the same. That is actually quite interesting. I like that. I'm so happy. I'm hoping to... Are you? Who is Everbrave? Where is Everbrave? I have no clue where Everbrave is. Is this Everbrave? Oh, here's Everbrave. okay. Can we not talk to... So, if we have chosen that... Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so now can I go in? So can I talk to you now? So I'm gonna go talk to him. Interesting. Okay. I haven't talked to you yet. Your wish. Okay, so we're gonna go Swift and Cutting. How about Frost Clan? Oh, look. There's some prey. I'm gonna go get that. Nice, no mouse. Okay, I'm gonna carry this around because I can. He's my little friend. Ooh, owl paw. You're pretty. Oh, that's a real player. Oops. Where can I talk to the leader? Where's the leader? Oh, oops. I remember being in here and having... Oh. Cold snap. Huh, I wonder. Oh, holy crap, that's a bird. Bird. No. Okay, that's kind of mean, but no, I'm not talking right now. Not right now, no, I'm making a video. Okay, so... Oh, there's a rabbit right there. Oh, someone's already hunting it. Okay, let's go to Stone Wardens. I want to meet them. Hell knows. Okay, I think I'm gonna stay here because, like, I feel like this would be the safest place. This looks like an... Okay, there we go. I think the warden is up there. Hold up, let me climb back up. I'm gonna go to the warden because I think they're actually up there in the den. And I think I will be joining. The Moon Cavern. Oh, so it's... Oh, his name is Rainbow Trout. Oh, shit. Oops. Thornleaf. Hello. Huh. Okay, I'm gonna go up to where the warden would be in a second. So see you in a second. Okay, we are up here with the warden and we're gonna talk to them. Too bad I'm staying here. Actually, I think I may become a stone warden. Join a fraction. Oh, that is so pretty. Can we talk to him now? Okay, I'm going to join group. I love that idea. That is really pretty. I love that, actually. Like, that's generally beautiful. Alright, we are going to go down to the move caverns because I'm genuinely curious. Sorry, my dad walked in, so let's continue. Look, there's a kitty outside. Oh, he's so jumping around. There's like an actual cat outside. He's so cute. Oh, he has no tail. Okay, anyway, that's enough. That's enough ADHD. That's enough. We're going to go to the moon caverns. I could say, oh, 'cause I'm a free bird, yeah. Ooh, pray. How close can I get to this? Nice, I caught a rabbit. So, like I said, we're gonna go down to the moon cavern, and if I remember correctly, I know exactly where it is. Hi. It should be bingo. Oh my god! I love this place. I love the moon caverns. The moon caverns are just so freaking pretty. I remember having to sit here and wait in line for a charm. Well, not a charm, but like a badge last year, and oh my god, wasn't that just... It was terrible. It was truly terrible. But we don't have to do that this year, which is wonderful. The Hornets. What if I give it to them? Here, free donation. Alright, I'm pretty sure. Wait, hold it. I'm pretty sure. Unsure, but I'm pretty sure. That one of that I saw a rabbit. I saw a rabbit in Frost Clan. Oh my god, what? Why? No. Frost Clan. Alright, Frost Clan. There, I saw... Well, damn. Munch, munch, munch. Munch, munch, munch. Munch, munch, munchy, munchy, munch. Munch, 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 munch. Consumed. I wonder if I can hunt bird. I never get to hunt birds. I wonder how quickly I can get this. Like, yes! Yippee! I got the first badge. Yes. Oh baby, let's go. That's what we're waiting for. Time to give donation to our neighbors. donation to our other neighbors. Not you. Okay, food for me, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna go eat food real quick. And I will continue the frost thingy. I will continue to hunt, so see you in a little bit. Okay, y'all, welcome back. Cause I'm now back and I'm going to be playing as, of course, my iconic and first character, Beanstar. Obviously, she's gotten some new accessories recently. So, obviously, there's that. Oh, I just realized there's a mistake within her editing. That's kind of annoying. I will fix that later. But look at her. Anyway, so, off the topic of Beanstar, we're going to be hunting, and I think I'm going to do a hunting montage. So we're back. Our last clip. Well, I think I've probably in the future I'm gonna split this into 2 parts. So I think this is part 2. What? Ooh, caves. Run. Ooh. Aw, you can't go into the ventilation shaft. Into the shaft. Honestly, this is cool as hell right here. But going back over here and into the territory, it's time to make a little montage of me hunting. So I'm really excited about that. I love to hunt in Rio C. I think it's genuinely a very, very cool feature. So let's go. Bruh. Me and my bird friend. Can't I hunt this mouse? Oh, there's the option to hunt the bird. No freaking way. This game is so fucking broken. Hold up, what the hell? Why? Oh. No way. This is kind of insane. I'm not gonna lie. Three birds, 2 rabbits, 1 squirrel. Because generally, OMG. I'm gonna go. Oh my god, is that another squirrel? Another squirrel? No way. I'm hunting that squirrel. You can't stop me. I guess. Oh my god, am I really just doing this all in one go? Oh, some of my birds left. That's sad. Time to eat. Munchy, munchy, munch. Munchy, munchy, munch. Alright, y'all. I got the badge. I got the other badge. Yippee. So, since I got the other badge now, we're gonna go into editor, and I'm unsure. I think we may have got something. I'm unsure, or we just got a badge, which I'm fine with that. I love badges. But we're gonna see here. Anything here? No. I think we might have just got a badge, which I'm fine with. Honestly, I like badges. Anyway, I'm gonna continue hunting for my little thing, and I'm pretty sure I will post a short of a hunting compilation. So bye. Num num num. Num num num.